Yeah, well, after a few heat and cool cycles, I doused it in oil, and there is indeed the smallest amount of movement there. I don't know if that's apparent from the shakiness of the camera work, but there we go. But you can clearly see the impeller shaft is moving significantly more than the input shaft, which is driving this gear here. Oops. And then this second transfer or step down gear or whatever you call it, it seems to be moving close to the same amount, but I'd imagine that's because that gear at the bottom where it engages is significantly flogged out. I'm hoping it's still got enough in it to turn. If not, I might be able to weld up and hand file or grind, build that gear up and cut it back to shape. If not, I'll just get one machined. I don't have the capacity to do that here, obviously, but I mean, it's virtually identical to this one, the small one. So I vaguely recall seeing somebody making parts for these, but either way, I'll find something. But that's definitely a minor victory. I'm just going to keep wiggling and wobbling it, and eventually she will turn. Okay, that's about all.